If we, each one of us, really becomes aware of Jesus in us, then that itself will take away the veil that is keeping us from being more like Him in our thoughts, words, and deeds. How do you become aware? First and foremost, God has given us our senses. One of the senses that is very good is our ears. If you become aware of the sounds, then you will see that slowly you will start deepening in silence. And as you begin to deepen, the sounds which are very minute also will become very audible to you. And as you keep remaining in that silence, then you will see what's going on in your mind, in your heart, in your body, mind and spirit. That is how awareness will take place. But it is not only your body and our body, but that there is the presence of God in us. That is something that we will become aware of. And when we do that, then you see how this veil that prevents us from seeing clearly will go, because it is in Jesus, when we are centered on Him and one with Him, that we will see clearly and respond accurately.